Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to remove Ford Fusion dashboard, full guide. Begin by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to disable airbags and electronics. Gather basic tools like screwdrivers, trim tools, and a ratchet set, and clear a well-lit workspace. Work methodically, keeping bolts organized in labeled containers and photographing connector locations to speed up reassembly and prevent mistakes. I will show the essential tools and prep steps before you touch any dash fasteners. Start with a set of plastic pry tools to protect trim, a 10mm and 7mm socket set, and a ratchet with extensions for tight spaces. Prepare containers or labeled bags for bolts and clips, and take photos of every step so reassembly is straightforward. Safety first. Wear gloves and eye protection while working on wiring and sharp edges. Begin removing panels in reverse order of assembly, starting with kick panels and center console trim to expose dash mount bolts and electrical connectors. Carefully detach airbag connectors using the manufacturer release method and always keep the battery disconnected. With an assistant supporting the dash, unbolt main fasteners and slide the dash forward incrementally, watching for hidden clips and wiring harnesses. Place the dash on a padded surface and label all connections for a smooth reinstallation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.